We're finally heading towards that waterfall that we've been talking about for so long. The weather, perfection. Not too cold, not too hot. The road, empty. Certainly none of that dangerous commercial truck traffic that we hate so much. And you might be noticing that there's no second bike tailing me. Vinny, in her infinite wisdom, has decided to skip this trip. Over to her for more on that.
I'm taking a personal day. Because for the past 2 weeks I've been underground and driving through the rain and mud. And today is the first day that we have a round trip drive where we're staying at the same hotel for 2 nights in a row. And with that 4 to 5 hour round trip drive, I decided that I'm just not gonna go see the waterfall today, which I am kind of bummed about. Not to mention all the things, like we haven't even planned what we're doing in Seoul, in Korea, what we're doing in Saigon. So you guys are gonna have much more fun with Tim, so go play with him today.
What I lack in Finn's charm and beauty, I promise to make up for in boring flat camera angles and overlong monologues. So with that in mind, I'm gonna turn this off, get some speed, twist the throttle, let's get there. Such an unbelievable bummer that the weather is so wet out. I would love to be flying the drone today. I mean, it's just an unbelievably gorgeous drive out here, which, I mean, almost every day is gorgeous, but this almost reminds me of, and I'm gonna mispronounce it, like the Ninh Binh area, and just the clouds and everything are great, so can't get the drone up and I can't do it justice with a camera on the ground. Okay, I feel like if I take a wrong turn here, I'm going to end up in China. Haha, I went too far. It's a good thing I turned back. Oh, I went too far. Really, I somehow missed the left turn into the waterfall tourist area and almost went to China. I'm sure somebody would have stopped me before I got too far. To say I'm wet is an understatement. I think I'm gonna just rock my helmet during the tour. That's what it looks like when it's really sunny out. And beautiful. At least we'll have plenty of water today. This is it, guys. We made it. It was a lot of driving to get here. Everybody thinks I'm very silly for keeping my helmet on this whole time, but really, I feel like a spaceman. And this keeps my helmet dry and it keeps my head dry. So I'm gonna roll with it. I'm walking through the souvenir section of Disney World right now. Oh yeah, swords, everything that says waterfall. It's 50,000 dong for a ride out here. I guess I'm getting a private ride. Hey, we made it!
Oh my goodness!
It's,
you look very wet.
I know, I hired a boat to take us out. Are you ready?
I'm gonna go with you.
There's the waterfall. There's our boat.
You have the whole boat to yourself?
Sure, no expense. You made it. You are doing it the much better way. Look, sometimes you can like walk out here, but there's so much water right now that little walkway's blocked. It's magnificent. I feel one with the waterfall because I'm so wet right now. We finally made it up to the waterfall that we completely missed the last time. It is definitely worth a drive out here, even though you have to drive back to Cao Bang. But hey, if it's dry, it's beautiful. If it's wet, it's beautiful. Just different kinds of beauty. You don't want to deal with, I guess, tourist crowds when it's not raining. Down at the main waterfall entrance, there is this pagoda at the top of the hill nearby. You can look, it's right off the main road. I didn't see any signs like pointing towards pagoda or hey, better free view up here. So this is what it looks like up here. Absolutely incredible, and you know what? I think it's better than being right in front of the waterfall.
We thought it might be fun to take you into town for dinner to see what it's like when two people ride on one motorbike in Vietnam in the rain.
Here we go. If you watched our first season, you already know this trick, but this is the trick. Everyone hides under the poncho. I had to stick my head out because it's so crowded on the streets. I didn't know if my arm extended was going to get hit by anything. So I gotta look. But since it's raining, oops, don't hit anybody on the brake. Let's get back inside. Okay, we're gonna shout directions. Woo! At Tim. Whoa, hold on, I almost dropped my phone. See, now you don't have to be scared about traffic, you just get under the poncho. Take your next right.
Turn right. Turn right.
Okay, we have arrived. Almost never have we ever been to a restaurant here where there's people in it when we arrive. We don't know what we're doing wrong. We don't know if for the past 2 weeks it's been holidays. We don't know if we eat at weird times, but let's see if they serve us food.
So there's two guys in the back, and I kind of waved and said, "Xin Chao," and then we'll see if that leads to us eating food. It's kind of silly, but we're kind of getting tired of the whole weird experience because it's been like 2 weeks now.
I need to eat some food.
And plus Tim's very hungry.
I can't eat any more just rice.
We need real food.
Yeah.
Oh, I see menus. Good job. It's okay? Okay. Then the next step is to get the menu right away. Right when you look at it. So, we're probably going to have to do some Google Translate on this one. It's just going to be weird. So, we'll pull up Google Translate and we will start taking pictures of the menu.
I successfully ordered 2 beers, so.
A whole plate of tofu just showed up. I didn't know that we ordered that, but that's awesome. We got wasabi. We have an entire basket. This is more vegetables than I've seen in the entire past 10 days combined. Oh, I wonder if this is what morning glory looks like when it's not. There's like this steamed vegetable that's served everywhere with garlic, and it's always translated as morning glory. Is that the name of the vegetable in English? I don't know. Somebody please let me know. I've only always seen it cooked. Thailand, Cambodia, here. Maybe this is what it looks like when it's raw. I don't know. Because this is not an herb. This is like a vegetable, right? Yeah, that isn't smelling anything. Oh, but that's morning glory. Yes.
I weigh the least amount I have since I graduated high school. I weigh 172 pounds right now. And my heart is hungry. So this isn't even all the food we're getting. We also have French fries coming and rice. So we're gonna just sit here and gorge for a really long time.
I don't know, we've just like only had just rice and an egg mostly for every meal for maybe 10 days. And yeah, so that's why Tim looks so thin. And maybe I don't because it's just like a lot of carbs and stuff. But I'm so excited to eat a vegetable. What is this even going to taste like? Oh my god.
Only a short 45 minutes later.
Timmy said I was good and we get to have ice cream. Oh, and then I can see our hotel. See? It's the yellow back there. Max Boutique Hotel. 10th floor. Penthouse, baby.
Spare no expense.
Spare no expense. Okay, see, we didn't really need to go over the bridge. We have to go back to the hotel now. Now we're just window shopping along the way home. Yum. Donuts. Maybe Tim will get me a whole Hello Kitty cake. I don't know. Look at the fruit. Ooh, yum. There are 2 full freezers of ice cream and all the prices are listed here. The cheapest is 3,000 dong, so that is like...
Don't, you're terrible at converting. So 10 cents?
No, it's more than 10 cents.
Okay.
It's probably 13 or 14 cents. I remember these. How much are those?
My goodness.
Oh, those are like 15 cents. Oh my gosh, I love these. Look at how little. And then what? This is maybe like banana. Ooh, that looks good. We'll try one of those. And then we'll definitely try... What do you want, Tim? Probably
I'm gonna just get something awesome.
Look at this fish sandwich with green ice cream and like jelly in it. Do you want a fish sandwich?
No, do you want this corn? It's like corn.
Corn ice cream. Oh, this is like a mango. Oh, look at that mango. Red bean, probably not for me. Chocolate banana, that's a good one. Green rice flake and milk. Taro, that is some type of fruit. I don't know what that is. Okay, I'll pick one and then we can go. Because everyone's watching.
Why don't you get that corn one?
No, I'm just gonna get the mango one. Tropical mango, popsicle, and this white thing. Oh, this is gonna be milk because this is Sua. Oh no, I think I got a milk popsicle.
You always try to fly too close to the sun. Whereas I just went with chocolate.
Tim made a good choice.
I always just, go with the safe thing.
Let's see that.
There, that's what everybody expects.
Oh, yeah. And?
Delicious. Look at it. Look at this premium packaging. Your packaging is for babies.
I'm a baby. Yeah, it's a milk popsicle.
Mmm, frozen milk.
You know what it is? It's like, it's the condensed milk that goes in your coffee.
A little more about the safety gear that we're wearing on this trip, and we're gonna go boots up here.